That was perfect.
Pull straight up, and then right after that.
Here's that one. Whoa. No way. Hey, buddy, relax. Yes. All right. My first northern pike, huh? All right, now I'm gonna release him. Here we go. I just got another pike. First cast. You gotta be kidding me. Wow, that's incredible. Oh, nice. Oh, now it just got stuck on me. Nope, no. This is a good pike right here. That's a really nice one. Let's head back in the water.
This one's big.
All right, well, I'll go in and grab it. Get over here, buddy. Holy smokes. Ouch.
I can't break that. Just slide me in there. Just grab the, grab that.
Ah, that hurt. Christopher, that thing's lodged in my hand. Christopher.
Oh, God, okay.
Oh, yes. All right, Christopher, stand in front of the camera so we can see some shots. Hold that bad boy. Woo! All right, let's release it.
All right, buddy, you definitely put up a good fight. I really appreciate you. I'm really upset with what you did with Trey. But,
that's fine. We'll get it out.
Catch you. See you later.
Whoa. That's okay.
To the hospital.
Oh, well, that's not good.
Well, mine broke.
Wait. Just give me a sec.
Carp.
Oh, it's over here.
Oh, flipped. I think it's.
Yeah.
Well, at first it didn't look like one.
There you go.
Going for a snack.
I told you, cannibal.
Okay.
Take off. Good job.
Cool.
Here you go. That's a pretty good sized one, isn't it?
Yeah, that's nice.
Kind of a baby.
Oh. Oh. Did you hear it?
I heard something.
It was right here.
Wow.
That's why we fish here, because they like backwater. I'm shaking. Ugh. I'm gonna get him before the day's over. Oh, got him. Grab the net, Dad. Okay. Nope. I know, it's okay. I just got tension on it. You got it? He's coming right up here.
Bring it back.
Okay.
Okay, just take it.
Yep. Get him?
Got him.
Oh, man, that's a big one. Whoa! Holy smokes.
You got to give him some.
Yeah.
That's a nice one.
That's huge. I think he swallowed the whole thing. Yeah.
Nice.
I think he swallowed the whole thing, Dad. All right, just take it easy. Take it easy. Okay. Oh my gosh.
Okay, he's gonna flip here.
Yep,
Ready?
I know.
Put him in.
Whoa.
Put him in.
Okay.
He's gonna need water here.
Yep. There he goes.
There you go.
Yep. Oh,
Nice.
that was awesome.
Yes.
Alright, I need your help.
Oh.
Look at now. Oh man, look at those teeth.
Yeah. Look at it.
He's like, I've been saving up these for you.
That's cool. It's okay.
That scares me still.
I would just probably use the pliers and just wiggle it until it comes free. Big mouth. Here we go.
Alright.
Perfect.
Maybe hang on to
Oh.
one leg.
All right, Christopher. Want to get a picture on here, or you with your phone, or is this good?
Yeah.
No. I saw him. Yeah. What is it? Weird. We were just talking about it, and here we go. That's a big one. I can't see what it is. Okay, it's coming to the right. All right, here it comes. Whoa, that was different looking. Oh, I hooked it. I hooked it. Okay, yeah. I'm not really sure what it is. Is that a carp? I think it's a carp. Oh, weird. All right, I guess I just snagged him, didn't I?
Yeah, we're on the side.
Yeah, okay. So, funky.
You want to take a picture of it?
Sure, we can do that.
First catch of the day.
All right, ready, buddy? You let him go.
I'll send that to you.
All right, cool. There you go. Whoopsie. All right, relax, buddy. Relax. Just stay with it.
Did you just hit it right at the end?
Oh, there he goes. I'm gonna grab him. No, he's gone. All right. Hey.
Ready?
Yep. Actually, I can't tell. Probably.
Yep.
Oh, it's just a little fart.
How shiny he is.
Cool.
What are you using?
The same thing I caught the muskie on. We can bring him up here.
Oh my
sorry.
gosh, yeah. What the frick? Gotta start using those things.
Hey, relax, bud.
Whoa, look at that mouth.
I know. Got it. I want to take a picture quick.
Yeah. Did you record it?
Yep.
Nice.
All right, buddy. You're gonna be free now. No. All right. See you later, bud. Cool. I caught this little fish right here. Oh, there he goes.